So fifth Swaragalu in Kannada is oo. Fifth Swaragalu in Kannada is oo. The steps for oo is first U, E, after that U, after that like hill, then U again. Okay, so there are three steps in Kannada oo Swaragalu. Okay, so oo pronunciation in English is oo. Okay, U. So oo for oogie bandi. Oo for oogie bandi. Oogie bandi pronunciation is oogie bandi. Oogie bandi means train. Okay, so now we are going to practice oo 2 to 3 times. Okay, so oo, and oo. Sixth letter in Kannada Swaragalu is oo. Okay, so we had learned oo, right? So copy that oo, then you have to make a hill. Then after a hill you have to make circle. Okay, so oo pronunciation is oo. Oh. So there are 3 steps in oo. Oo for oota. O for oota. Oota pronunciation is oota. So oota means meals. Oota means meals. So we are going to practice oo 2 to 3 times. Oo. So seventh Swaragalu or Kannada vowels in Kannada is Ru. So the pronunciation of Ru is also Ru in English. So the steps for Ru is first make 2. After that you have to make like U. Okay. After that you have to make a sleeping line. After sleeping line you have to make a standing line. After that you have to make curve line. So this is Ru. So there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps in Ru. So Ru. Ru for Rushi. Ru for Rushi. Ru for Rushi. Ru for Rushi. So pronunciation of Rushi is also Rushi. Rushi means sage. Rushi means sage. So now we are going to practice Ru. So let's start. Ru. Okay. 8th Swaragalu in Kannada is A. So the pronunciation of A is AE in English. A. So let's start the steps for it. First make E. After E we have to make curve line. After that we have to make one more curve line like U near to E only. After that we have to make curve from the U, we have to make a slanting line. So there are totally 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 steps in A. Okay. So A for NA. A for NA. Okay, A for NA. NA pronunciation is ENNE. NA. NA means oil. NA means oil. So now we are going to practice A 2 to 3 times. A. A. Okay. Now